Hi, Assalamualaikum. Okay, today in this video I will explain about direct variation. Okay, so what is the notation for the variation? The notation is like this. Okay, let's start with the first question. Alright, now, okay, so let's say the first question is y, okay, varies as t. So that means you have to put y equals to kt. You have to add on k, okay? Alright? So now, so your y will be 6 and your t will be 4. So you have to substitute this value inside this equation. So your y now is equals to 6, okay? So k we don't know. We want to find what is the value for k, and t is 4. So now k equals to 6 over 4. That means your k is 3 over 2. Okay. So now, okay, the next one. Alright. Okay, same equation you have to put here. So y equals to 3 over 2t. Okay. So the next one, the question will give you the value for t. Your t equals to 6, so you have to find what is the value for y. Okay, now y equals to 3 over 2 and your t is 6. Okay, so this is 1 and here is 3. So 3 times 3, that means your y is equals to 9. Okay, one more. If the question give you, okay, all right, same equation, yeah. So y equals to 3 over 2t. So okay, you have to find what is the value for t. Okay, I put here. Okay, what is the value for t, okay, when your y equals to 4. Okay, so you have to put 4 here. Okay, 3t over 2, correct? So you have to multiply. So you have 8 equals to 3t. That means your t equals to 8 over 3. Okay? Now, next one. Okay. So, okay, question number 2. So let's say, okay, z, okay, varies to m. Alright, so that means z equals km. Alright, so your z, okay, so your z equals to 20 and your m equals to 4. Okay, so z 20 equals to k and your m is 4. So that means your k is 20 over 4. So k equals to 5. Okay, your equation now will be z equals to 5m. Alright, okay, now, okay, let's say same equation, yeah. So z equals to 5m. Alright, so okay, now you have m equals to 7 and you have to find what is the value for z. So now z equals to 5 times 7, correct? So your z now is 35. Okay, easy, right? Variation. Alright, one more. Same equation, yeah. So z equals to 5m, alright. So your value now, you have to find what is the value for m when your z equals to 55. Okay? Okay, I put here. When your m, you don't know your m, and your z now is 55. So now, same thing, 55 equals to 5m. Do you see any operation in between 5 and m? No, right? So that means this is multiply. So you want to remove here to this side. That means you have to divide. 5 equals to m. That means 11. Your m now equals to 11. Alright? Easy? Okay. One more. Okay. So now, okay. So let's say, okay, so A varies directly as r square. Okay, so that means A equals to k r square. Alright, so now you have the value A equals to 12, okay, and your r, okay, your r equals to 2. Okay, all right, so now we have to find what is the value for k. Okay, so your A equals to 12 and your r equals to 2. So now we substitute. Okay, equals to k, so 2 square. So that means 12 equals to k 4, correct? So this is multiply. You want to change to different side, so you have to divide. Okay, so your k now equals to 3. Okay, all right, now okay, so next one. Okay, so now 12, 4. Okay, so now you have to do same equation. A equals to k 3, 3r square. Okay, so now when you have to find your A. Okay, when your r equals to 5. So now A equals to 3. Okay, your r now 5, right? 5 square. Okay, so now, okay, 5 square, you have 25, right? Times with 3. Okay, so here 25. So now your A is 75. Okay, now one more. Same equation. All right. So A equals to 3r square. So you have to find what is the value for r when your A equals to 48. Alright? So now A is 48 equals to 3r square. So this is multiply. I want to bring to this side. So 48, okay, you divide by 3 equals to r square, correct? So now you will have here 16, okay, r square, correct? Sorry. So now this is square. If you want to change to this side, it becomes square root. So r equals to 4, okay? That means plus minus 4, okay? Okay, now, okay, next one. Okay, let's see. Okay, last question, yeah? So, m, okay, varies as a d plus 3. So that means is m equals to k d plus 3. Okay, so now, okay, you have the value for m. Your m equals to 28. Okay, and your d, okay, your d is 1. So now, okay, substitute, yeah. So 28 equals to k. So 1 plus 3. So here will be 4, right? So 28. So now your k will be 28 over 4. So you will have 7. Your k is 7, okay? Alright, now. So now new equation, m equals to 7 d plus 3. Okay? So now you have the value for d. When your d equals to 3, you have to find what is the value for m. Okay, same thing also. Okay, just substitute, okay? So m equals to 7. Your d is 3 plus 3. That means 6, right? So 7 times 6. So you will have 42. Easy? Okay, so this is the direct variation. I will see you in the next video, for the inverse variation, right? Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, Assalamualaikum.